A merchant raises one product's price, $89 to $109. 4 seconds of work. Checkout updates. The product feed does not. For hours, shoppers are shown one price and charged another. Nothing alerts. Nothing is broken. Every system involved is working exactly as designed, faithfully emitting values that were true yesterday. The only thing that knows those systems are connected is the data catalog. So we built Comgu, continuous integration for commerce operations. This is the live instance. A price change arrives, and Comgu asks DataHub what depends on it. The blast radius comes from a lineage traversal, 5 downstream surfaces, some of them 3 hops out. Every catalog call is recorded, so you can see exactly which ones produced a finding. None of this is hard-coded. Delete the lineage in DataHub, and no rule can fire. Which value is correct is read from the catalog too, not decided by us. Severity comes from criticality recorded on each asset. One surface has no owner, and that absence becomes its own finding, rather than a guess about who to tell. The plan is written by Gemini, but constrained. It can only cite findings Comgu actually produced. 39 seconds, 6 findings. Then it stops and waits for a person. Only after approval does it patch 5 files, run the real test suite, 6 failing before, 7 passing after, and write the resolution back into the catalog. Every write is read back and verified. 49 seconds end-to-end, against a real DataHub instance and a real repository. We also gave 2 things back, a skill for driving DataHub over MCP, and a quick start defect we found while building this, one that silently under-indexes the catalog. Comgu. Catch commerce changes before customers do.